Mastering colons, the gateway to improved English writing. Hello, language learners. Today, we are going to explore a powerful punctuation mark that can improve your English writing significantly, the colon. Colons might look simple, but they can add depth and variety to your sentences when used correctly. In the English language, a colon is a punctuation mark that consists of two equally sized dots centered on the same vertical line, smiley face. But don't be deceived by its simple appearance. The colon serves several important functions which we will learn about in the following sections. The colon is often used to introduce a list of items. In this case, it typically comes after a complete sentence, and the list that follows the colon expands or illustrates the sentence before it. Example: without colon, I bought a lot of fruits today. They include apples, bananas, oranges, and strawberries. With colon, I bought a lot of fruits today. Apples, bananas, oranges, and strawberries. Colons can also be used to emphasize information at the end of a sentence. This could be a word, a phrase, or even an entire clause. The information following the colon is usually an explanation or conclusion of the part before it. Example: without colon, she finally knew what she wanted to do with her life. She wanted to become a writer. With colon, she finally knew what she wanted to do with her life, become a writer. The colon has some other uses as well. It's used to separate hours from minutes when writing time, and it can also separate a title from a subtitle in a book, article, or paper. Example: time. The train arrives at 10:30. Title and subtitle: Sustainable Development, Challenges and Solutions in the 21st Century. So, there you have it. The colon, while simple, is a versatile tool in English writing. Whether it's for introducing lists, emphasizing a point, or simply writing time, the colon can help make your sentences clearer and more impactful. Keep practicing, and you'll master this punctuation mark in no time. Remember, practice makes perfect. Until next time, happy learning.